The Ministry of Railways has unveiled the first prototype of the Vande Bharat Sleeper train set, which will soon undergo field trials. The rollout timeline depends on the trial results. These sleeper trains are designed for long and medium distance travel, equipped with modern amenities and features, including KAVACH safety system, N45545 HL3 fire safety standards, crashworthy design, regenerative braking for energy efficiency, and faster acceleration deceleration. They also feature accessible toilets for passengers with restricted mobility, automatic plug doors, CCTV cameras, and emergency communication systems. As of December 2024, 136 Vande Bharat trains with chair car coaches are operational, including services in Tamil Nadu and the long-distance Delhi-Banaras route. New services are being introduced based on feasibility and resource availability.